Susan's the hiccups. I don't, that might have been a burp. You scared him away.
No, I
Poor
didn't.
hiccups. Just kidding. Yeah, this is my life. McDonald's and hiccups and Susie has a camera. Just laughing too much because of your pictures of me with the fat kid, the cheese heads.
Hey, good looking. What you got cooking?
Laughing is supposed to make your hiccups go away, I thought.
No, that's how you get hiccups.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh man. Oh, bugs. Hadn't gone by so fast. These are some good old times. Nope. Know it now.
You're gonna like hiccup into your drink.
Oh crap, I'm gonna like spit all over you. Stupid hiccup, Susie, go away. There's some really hot guys over there and I'm acting like a child right now, but that's okay. They're still hot.